Hey everyone, welcome back again in CAD with KAMAL. This is tutorial number in our Solidworks part modeling exercise series. So today we are learn that how to design this sensor mounting bracket. If you are passionate about 3D modeling and learning Solidworks with the smart way, make sure to hit that subscribe button to turn on notification so you never miss any tutorial video. So let's start today's tutorial. So I'll cut this here. For the part modeling, select here new, select the part option and OK. Screen background plain white. Let's see our model drawing. So you can see here top view, front view and side view. Let's see the top view. There is a two countersink hole dia 12. The counter dia is 20 in 90-degree angle. So both of the hole distance is 110 millimeter. And outer radius is R15 and this body radius is R30 and thickness is 10 mm of this plate. Let's talk about the bush. So bush overall height is 75, OD is dia 45 and ID is dia 35 and there is a 3 slots also. So the slot arc is R5 and length of this slot 40 mm without radius. And about this rib and this half circular body, so this rib thickness is 20 and the inner radius is R30 and outer is R40 and thickness is height is up to here 50 mm. So let's come in SolidWorks and design this. So I select top plane first. I select circle, start with origin and I'll one more circle here. So I make distance from this to this 55 because total distance is 110 and I make relation with this horizontal and this is how much? This is R15 and this one is R30. So R15 is dia 30 and R13 is dia 60. I select line and I draw two line in inclined position. Okay. Now hold the control key, select circle and select line, make relation tangent. Same I apply here. See, tangent and this one also tangent. Now I select trim entities, power trim and I trim this. Okay, I draw a center line in vertical position. Make sure line is vertical. Come in mirror entities and I select these three entities, mirror about this. Okay, again come in trim, power trim and trim this. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined. Let's exit here. You can exit here also. Feature Extruded Bode base. We need to give this thickness to this sketch to convert in 3D model and thickness 10 mm. Okay, so blind 10. Okay, let's come in hole wizard. Select countersink M12. You can check here and edit your custom sizing. Dia 12 hole, counter dia 20, 90 end condition through hole, position 3D. I change orientation, I take top view and hold your cursor on this edge, you get your center point. Same I apply here and OK. Our hole is complete. Now I select this face, or we can select top plane or we can select this face. Okay, we select front plane, select line. I select center line first. Start with origin, make sure line is vertical. I draw vertical line. Select line, I draw a line like this. So we're creating this bush. So this bush OD is dia 45 and ID is 35. Okay, so I select this here and select this. The ID is 35 dia and the OD is 45. The overall height of this bush 75 mm. Okay, exit, use Revolved Bose base, merge resulted on axis of revolution this line. Okay, now we have to select this face, select this edge of circle body, make it convert entity and exit. Now we need to use extrude cut feature here and through all, because we need to open this body. Okay, this hole is open. Now we need to cut this. So come in, select front plane. I select slot, straight slot. I draw a slot here. Okay, this is R5. This one is 40 and from this face to this center height is 17.5. Okay, it is fully defined sketch. So let's exit here, come in extrude cut, select your sketch. If you want to change this cut direction, you can click here on this arrow, or you can use through all position. You can use up to surface, then you have to select a surface also, or you can use blind option, then you have to give a value like 45 more than this center, because you need to cut this slot in through position. So simply we select up to surface and select the surface. Okay, now we need to cut this slot in 3 position. We use circular pattern here. For direction 1 I select this edge, feature and faces I select this extrude cut. Now we need to divide this in instances spacing 90 degree, number of instances 4. I need to skip this slot, so come in instances to vary, check here. Now you need to select which slot you need to skip. So I need to select this, so select skip instances and okay. See, now we need to create this body. So this body thickness 20, R30, R40, and from this center to this face 100 mm distance. Okay, so select this face, or you can select top plane, then you can create a offset plane 10 and it is 75, so you can use 85. You can create plane also, all are same. Okay, you use this plane sketch, you select this convert entity and select this edge, convert entity. I draw center line. I give this line value around 100 mm. Okay, now I draw 2 circle here. Which one? This is R30 and R40. So R30, which means dia 60, one more 60, 80. Select a line. I draw a horizontal line here. Use offset entities. I need this bi-directional because we need both sides. I select this line here. Okay, trim entities, I trim this here. Okay. Let's exit here. So come in Extrude Bose base. Blind option select here. Change the direction. How much we need to extrude this? Up to 50 mm. So select here 50 and OK. Let's skip this plane. Now we need to create hole and thread on this body. So for this I come in hole wizard. Select here straight tap option. ISO standard ISO type we need tapped hole. Size M6. Okay, it is already selected. End condition we use 12 and thread we need 10 mm. Hole 12 mm depth but thread is only 10 mm. Cosmic thread here and near side counter because we need to create a counter also after before thread which dia is 7. Position 3D I change orientation here. I draw one here. Give dimension from this edge to this distance 10 mm. I use convert entity here and select this line to make an entity sketch. Convert in construction geometry. I give a relation with this center to this Y. Okay. Now we need to use linear pattern because we create 4 holes here. So for direction I select this edge. For direction 2 I select this edge. This is 70 mm. Outer one is R40 this body. So with this center is 70 mm. It is 30. Feature and faces. Select here M6 step and select here this arrow and OK.
Now we are not able to see the cosmic thread here in the hole. So for this we will go to in the option. So here is the option and select document properties. Then you select detailing. Then here you can see the shaded cosmic thread option. So select here shaded cosmic thread option and OK. Now we can see the thread clearly. So this is finished. Now need to apply chamfer and fillets. So I select fillet here. So select here R3, R5 sorry. I select this edges and OK. Now I need to apply chamfer 1 in 45 angle. So I select this edge for chamfer and this and this one. Now need to apply colors. So here is our 3D model, this bearing housing bracket is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, you can write in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next tutorial. Thank you so much.